Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Desktop.ini file opens automatically on startup in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if Desktop.ini file opens automatically on your Windows 10 or 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on Start menu. Then type here CMD. Just right click on CMD and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Here you need to type couple of commands what I will provide in my video description link. You can just copy paste from there. Just copy this first command. Just right click on the top of the command prompt window. Click on edit and click on paste. Just hit enter. Come to the notepad file. Just select the second command, right click, copy, right click on the top of the command prompt window, edit and paste and hit enter. After that just close this window. After doing this, once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Desktop.ini file opens automatically on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.